Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General clearance updates, plus we have a huge penny list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, I did post this on the community tab over the weekend, but just in case you missed it, we do have a sale going on for the Harvest Home Decor Kitchen and Rugs. These are going to be 50% off until November the 27th. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and jump right into our penny list, and remember, the #1 rule of penny shopping is do not ask the employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into Dollar General, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, make sure that your correct store location is set, and if it shows up 000 or 001, that means that you have found a penny item. Alright guys, now for this penny list, I've broken it up into two parts. The first part that we're going to go over, these items have already pennied out over the weekend. Now, when I talked to my store manager, she said that a lot of these items came in with the summer barbecue items, but for whatever reason, they were not included in the summer barbecue list. So while you guys are out shopping, be on the lookout for similar items and make sure that you scan. So for instance, last week we had a few of the single bottled waters. Well, we have more this week that have pennied out already. Last week we also had the Good and Smart dried fruit. I know that there were several different varieties that you guys were finding out there. So again, just scan. If you're ever in doubt, just pick it up and scan it. Alright guys, so first up we have the single bottles of Clover Valley Spring Water, and the UPC code is on your screen for you. Next up we have the Zephyr Hills brand 100% natural spring water. This is a 33.8 ounce bottle. Next up we have the Arrowhead brand 100% mountain spring water, 33.8 ounce bottles. And then we have the Poland Spring brand 100% natural spring water. Again, it's a 33.8 ounce bottle. So, do you guys kind of see a pattern going on right there? We have the single bottled waters, 33.8 ounces. If you all see any other brands at your store, I would definitely pick them up and scan them just to double check. Alright, next up we have a 6 count of the Mott's Mighty Flying Fruit Punch Juice drinks, and again the UPC code is on your screen there. Next up we have the 6.6 ounce bags of whole grain goldfish crackers. Next up, we have the 4-pound tubs of C&H Pure Cane Granulated White Sugar. Now here's a fun one. We have the Clover Valley Flavored Mini Marshmallows 10-ounce bags. Alright, next up we have the Welch's Mixed Fruit Reduced Sugar 7 ounces. And then we also have the Welch's Berries and Cherries Reduced Sugar 7 ounces. Now, for these two items, when you type in the UPC code, there is not a picture that shows up in the DG app. So the pictures that are on your screen here, I just found on Google. These are actually 8-ounce boxes, but I want you guys to be on the lookout for the 7-ounce bags. It could possibly be a box. Just be on the lookout and scan. All right, next up, we have the Snack Packs Strawberry Jello 4 count. Then we also have the Snack Pack Puddings Butterscotch Flavored 6 count. And we also have the Snack Pack Pudding Unicorn 6-pack. And last but not least, we have the Snack Pack Chocolate Pudding 6 count. Alright guys, so again, all of those items that I just showed you all are currently a penny at Dollar General. Now we're going to talk about all of the items that are going to be pennying out on Tuesday, November the 15th. Alright, so first up we have the Campbell's Disney Paw Patrol Soup, and I'm pretty sure this is like a chicken noodle soup. Alright, next up we have the Good and Smart Tomato Soups 10.25 ounce cans. Now again, this isn't the correct picture. I'm just throwing it up there so that you guys know what the packaging looks like. Next up we have the Cheez-It Puffed Scorching Hot Cheddar. This is a 5.75 ounce bag. Next up we have the Clover Valley Chicken Broth 14.5 ounce cans. Next up we have the 6-pack of the Red, White, and Blue Hershey's Cookies and Cream Candy Bars. And then we also have the Jurassic World Fudge Striped Keebler Cookies. Next up, we have the Mamba Magic Sticks Mamba Fruit Chews. This is a 6.3 ounce bag. Next up, we have the Necco Wafers Chocolate Candy, and you should be able to find these up near the register. Alright, next up, we have the Los Calientes Scorchin' Pringles 5.5 ounces, and y'all do not make fun of me down in the comment section if I said that incorrectly. And then we also have the Twizzlers Tropical Blast 11-ounce bags. Now, I want you guys to be on the lookout for some orange cream Twizzlers as well, because I do remember those being included in the summer barbecue items. All right, and now for our big category items included in the penny list for this week, we have the spring stationery and party supplies. So be on the lookout for all of the spring flowered themed and the summer fruit themed party supplies. So we have paper plates, we have napkins, we have straws, we have cups, we even have these cute little trays, and even piñatas. So there was an absolute ton at my store. They still had like 3 totes completely full of this stuff. So all of these items are going to be a penny starting on Tuesday. Now, for our next big category of items, we have the Patriotic Party and 4th of July themed items. Now, be careful with this one. Again, make sure that you all scan before you go up to the register and make sure you have your correct store location set. Because at one store that I went to, there were a few of the 4th of July items that were still ringing up full price, and they had to manually adjust those down at the register. Now, unfortunately, employees are not supposed to manually adjust items down to a penny. Remember, we're not supposed to talk to employees about penny items. So if you do find some 4th of July items that you have to have, you may be able to get them at 90% off, or you can just leave them and hopefully they will penny out in the next couple of weeks. All right, now our next big category are the swim and summer toys. So be on the lookout for those pink squares on the tags. Now remember, this category does exclude the bubbles and chalk. Now, y'all keep in mind that Christmas is literally right around the corner, and a lot of these toys would make great donation items if you guys do like Toys for Tots, or if you have some other kind of organization like that in your area. All right, and for our last big category, we have all of our lawn and garden items. Now, again, this category has a few exclusions, so it does exclude the grills, the fans, the hoses, the charcoal, the potting soil. Now, I will say that some people were posting last week that they did find some potting soil at 90% off. Unfortunately, I don't have the UPC codes or anything to share with you all, but if you have a few extra minutes, that might be worth scanning. Alright guys, and here is your cheat sheet of all of the big categories that are going to be included in our penny list for Tuesday. Alright, now here's a quick look at my haul from last Tuesday when all of these items went to 90% off. I ended up picking up a total of $115 worth of items for only $11.50. So here are a few close-up shots of the items that I picked up, and keep in mind that all of these will be a penny starting tomorrow on Tuesday, November the 15th. Alright guys, and last but not least, we have our clearance update for this week at DG. All of the Halloween items, which does include the candy, the apparel, the party supplies, anything Halloween themed, all of that is going to be going down to 70% off, again starting on Tuesday, November the 15th. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and make sure that you stay tuned because we have some really awesome deals coming up this week. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.